Hello. My name is Rick, and I'm here to tell you about first-time semi-truck financing. All credit scores are considered for this special financing. First-time semi-truck financing is available for start-ups and seasoned businesses with good and bad credit. If you're looking to finance a new and or used semi-truck and have bad credit, we can assist you with your truck financing needs. Whether you have suffered a past bankruptcy, have repossessions, or are a first-time buyer, you can get a semi-truck by putting down a substantial down payment or offering additional collateral. This collateral can be in the form of free and clear trucks, trailers, or equity in real estate. We assist company drivers, people who need a second chance, or seasoned businesses. Don't let the economy keep you down. We are here to assist you with all your semi-truck financing needs. Kenworths, Peterbilts, Freightliners, Volvos, Internationals, Western Stars, Max. Don't let past credit problems stop you from getting the semi-truck financing you need to start or grow your business. Give us a call at 800-760-6863 and get on the road to financial freedom. Happy hunting for your semi-truck and its related financing.